Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to try something different. First, we're going to do a 3-minute warm-up. And then after the 3-minute warm-up, we're going to do the 14-minute interval workout. But today, instead of just giving you a workout like I normally do, I am going to be there with you. Prepare yourself for the actual workout. There will be no music. I will just be coaching you. During the warm-up, I'll have a little bit of music for you. I'll be talking to you. I just want to see how this goes. And maybe by me talking you through my workout, it can help you with your workout. So, let's get ready. We're going to do a warm-up together. And then from there, we'll prepare for the 14-minute workout. All right? I'll see you in a minute. All right, just start spinning, nice and easy. Nothing to get excited about. If you notice, my hands are down. I'm getting my watch ready. I'm taking care of different things. Right now, I'm just trying to get into a mindset of how I want this workout to go. I'm setting my iPhone watch for the heart rate. Remember, this iPhone watch is not compatible with the Bowflex Max Trainer. It's just for my heart rate to see where I'm at and to keep track of different workouts. This is a 3-minute warm-up. And if you notice the different stages, you can tell by where I have my hands. Right now I have my hands down on the main post there. Nice and relaxed, just getting the legs loosened up right now. Just thinking about how I want the workout to go. Take your time. Don't get excited over this part. My hands now have moved up to the midsection of the bars. So now you know that I am, me personally, I am in minute number 2 of this warm-up here. I'm not pushing real hard. I'm just getting the blood flowing, trying to get the muscles warmed up, trying to think about how I want to do this. Now, the other day, I was at a jump park. It was my birthday. It was something that was pre-planned for the kids. It just happened to be my birthday. So my muscles are a little tired right now because when I go to a jump park, even at 52 years old, I still like to do all my flips and everything else with all the young kids. So I'm not your typical 52-year-old. All right, keep it flowing. Even though I'm talking to you, just keep flowing. Keep thinking about that workout. This time you want to just get your thoughts together, your mind together. You want to collect everything because when you hit the workout, you really want to lay into it. Now you see my hands moved up to the top of the bars. All right, you want to just nice and, this is where, you know, you were going nice and easy, but now you want to start picking up the pace a little bit. Now it's game time. This is where you're going to put yourself in that mood. You really want to get thinking about the workout. Really get the blood pumping. Okay, I'll let you finish the workout, the workout. I'll let you finish the warm-up, and we'll see you over for the workout. Enjoy the rest of the warm-up. All right, boys and girls, I hope you're nice and warmed up because when we bring up the workout, it's going to go right into a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and we're going to be on it, okay? Get your mindset. I'm giving you a heads up right here. Why I'm talking to you right now, get on your machine, be prepared, get ready, because as soon as the 3, 2, 1, it goes right into that sprint. I want you to get up there in that sprint, okay? Take a couple deep breaths right now. Get that body ready. Get that air in there. And I'll see you in a second. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right into it. Full out. Nice deep breaths while you're doing it. everything you have on here, not 100%, but at least 80%. Keep it going, keep it going. 10 more seconds. You got this. You're focused. Find a spot on your control panel. 1, bring it down, relax. Now start taking all that air in. You want to get all that air out to the extremities, through the bloodstream. Nice deep breath. Just relax. You have a long time. There's still a minute to go. I'm not going to talk your ear off. I know it's nice and quiet. I warned you there was no music. But I want you to concentrate on this workout. We still have 40 seconds. That's a long time. Guys, while you're doing this, make sure that you're working from the shoulders on out, on the arms, on both sides. When you're pulling back, pull back using the back, using your back muscles. Use equal amount of pressure between your arms and your legs. You don't want to use one or the other. It's a full body workout. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. We're going to juice it right back up. 3, 2, 1. Get it. Put it in your red zone. Wherever that is, wherever you made that mark, go for it. Get up into that red zone. You have 13 seconds left. Do not stop early. You keep it going. 5 seconds left. Let's go. Bring it down. Recover. Same thing. Deep breath. Take it in. It's no big deal. I don't care how low you go. You can take it almost down to a stop without stopping. But when it's time to sprint again, you want to get it up into that zone. Wherever you set that zone at, get it back up in there. Me, I like to go into the red. Right into that 40. That's my sprint zone. I wish I could go a little higher. I probably could. I probably cut myself a little short. But I'm a little fatigued today. The jumping around with the kids and everything at the jump park. But I'm still getting my workout in. And this is, I did this workout this way on purpose. We have 21 seconds still on the recovery. I did it on purpose this way to be a little fatigued, to show you that you still do your workout. Okay? We have 10 seconds. Don't mess around. Get into that red zone in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Get into your red zone. Come on. Come on. The only one holding you back is you. Fire it up. Keep it going. Anyone can do 10 seconds. Anyone. If you stop short, it's because you stopped short. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Nice. A lot of air. Bring it in. Gulp it in. You want to get that air down to the bottom of those lungs. That's where the white blood cells get made. That's where the oxygen that you're bringing into your body gets enriched inside of your body and then pushed out to your extremities. I'm taking it easy. You see it for yourself. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just doing my workout. Do not, if you're not at my level, do not compare yourself to me right now and get disturbed. Yeah, I can't even talk. Get discouraged right now. This is 4, 5, 6 years in the making, okay? You will get there. 25 seconds. Long time to recover. Relax your body. 15. You got this. 10 seconds. Start getting that mind going again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the workout right here. You get that sprint going. Fire it up. Keep it going. Find a spot on your wall. Concentrate on that spot. Find a spot on your control panel. Look at it. But concentrate on that steady rhythm. Hold it. You have 5 seconds left. Do not let it go. 1. Bring it down. Relax. Sigh of relief. Nice and easy. Steady rhythm. You don't want to go, if you're capable of holding it up around 10, 12, 15, hold it there. If you're capable of holding it up around 20, 21, 25, hold it there. If you're at my level, which a lot of people are, and you're capable of holding it 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, hold it there. All right? Do not relax too much if you have the capability. If you're tired and fatigued, then bring it down. The object is the sprint on these intervals to blast those calories. 30 seconds. Plenty of time still to recover. You need to make it up in your mind when you started this workout that you were going to hit it hard. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Start gearing that mind up again. 5 seconds. This is go time. 3, 2, 1. No playing around. Get it. Hit your red mark. Sprint mode. Get in the zone. 16 seconds. Don't let off. Do not let off. Keep it going. Don't let off. You're only quitting yourself. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Relax. You know, I'm standing here talking to you. I'm coaching you through it. Do you realize that was number 6 already? Number 6 out of 8. This is the time that if you quit, you will feel like a piece of crap. Not to me. Not to everybody else watching this video working out. To yourself. Don't quit yourself. You're the most important person. You're the only one that matters. And if you quit, you're quitting yourself. You only got this machine because you wanted to better yourself. When you got this machine, you realized this machine was hard and you wanted to quit, and then you found me. Now I'm taking the time out to work with you. 30 seconds, plenty of time to recover. I'm taking the time out to work with you. Do not quit yourself. You're not going to quit me. I know how to do this machine. 20 seconds. Deep breath. If you have to slow down a little more, slow down a little more. Don't wear yourself out on the recovery. 10 seconds. Coming up on 5 seconds. Start gearing that mind up again. It's go time. 2, 1. Get it. Red zone. Get your red zone. Come on. I know you can. Get your red zone. Hold it. Hold it. Don't let go. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. You can do it. You're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. That was sprint. What was that? You got this. That is 6 going. You're relaxing. You got this. We're almost done. Nice and easy. Never forget the breathing. Always got to breathe. Deep in. Let it out. I know it's a hard concept why you're working out, but this is what I'm doing. This is what I remind myself of all the time. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Without the oxygen, there's no workout. 30 seconds, plenty of time. If you're so tired, that you don't think you could do the next sprint, you're going too fast. Slow down. I'll let you know when it's go time to start gearing back up. So if you don't have nothing left in you, slow down even more right now. My more experienced guys, maintain your pace. Recover. Force your body to relax. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Get it? Your red zone. Doesn't that feel good? Keep it going. Focus. Find a spot on your wall. Find a spot on your machine. Focus. 10 seconds. You got this. Come on. Don't quit yourself. 2, 1. Relax. Bring it down. Bring it down. You have 1 sprint left. 1. Get this recovery in there. Do what you need to do. Keep the machine spinning. You're not an expert at this machine overnight. Matter of fact, you leave this machine for even a week, it's like starting over again. Just calm down. You're going to have good days. You're going to have bad days. But the only guarantee that you're going to have is you're going to work out when your day is to work out. Don't skip it. Just because you're feeling bad, do not skip that workout. This is why I'm showing you this right here. You have 30 seconds on your recovery still. That's why I'm showing you this. When you're having a bad day, choose the interval. Get the workout on the sprint. Relax on the recovery. Use these intervals for your bad days. That way you're still burning calories. 10 seconds. Last sprint. Make this count. Don't shortchange yourself. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it up there. Get it up there. This is your time. What are you waiting for? Let's go. No excuses. Come on. Nobody's going to help you. Let's go. 10 seconds left. If you can't go past that 10 seconds, stop getting in that mind frame and stop them right there. 2, 1. Hold it. Now slowly bring it down. Okay, guys, all we got to do is the recovery here. That's all we got to do is the recovery. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm going to leave you alone for the last minute here. Great workout. I'll see you next time.